Hey there friends, Mike here. I thought I would stop off real quick and give you a short preview of the 90-day booster rebuild episode that is currently living inside of our SoundstageEDU Insiders paid tier. If your booster program has ever felt like it's running on fumes, this is the one that you've been waiting for, because what if I told you that in just 90 days, you could rebuild your entire organization, structure, culture, and sanity, and finally stop operating in constant survival mode? That's exactly what we cover in the very first SoundstageEDU Insider Deep Dive. It's the 90-day booster rebuild, from chaos to culture. This is not a pep talk. It's a full masterclass, step by step through the systems I've used in real fine arts programs to go from burnout and confusion to clarity and calm. Inside the Insider episode, we walk through how to stabilize your board and balance the books in week 1, the 4-phase rebuild plan, foundation, alignment, funding, and culture, real-world stories, boosters that turned everything around in a single season, and in some cases, 30 days, and how to lead without losing yourself in the process. So if you've ever thought, we need to reset, but I don't know where to start, or maybe I need to build a booster organization and I don't know where to start, this is the same thing. This episode is your roadmap. You'll hear real examples, raw moments, and practical scripts that you can use with your own team tomorrow morning if you need to. And when you're ready to take action, the full hour and 15-minute training, and there will also be available a downloadable booster rebuild companion kit, and I have many other resources for you guys, and access to our private insider community are all waiting for you. All of those things are inside the SoundstageEDU Insider. Once you join, I'll reach out and we'll get you connected to all the resources that you need. Just tap subscribe or unlock full episodes wherever you're listening, or follow the link in this description. So stop surviving the season. Start rebuilding it. Even if the marching season's ending, or whatever season you're in is ending, start the rebuild now. That way you have your next group set up for success. So join me inside SoundstageEDU Insider, behind the scenes and beyond the stage.